So this is our bottle filling and capping system. So is the conveyor, is the motor that drive the conveyor. So firstly, when the bottle comes to the drain valve, the photo eye sensor will detect the presence of the bottle, and then it will give signal to the drain valve, and it will actuate the drain valve to fill the bottle. And then after 4 seconds, the motor drive will activate the conveyor to move the bottle from this station to this station. And when the bottles arrive at this station, the photo eye sensor will detect the presence of the bottle, and then it will give signal to the motor here to install the cap to the bottle. And then after that, the motor will do the same thing to make the bottle move to the next station. At the last station, there is a proximity sensor. When the sensor detects the bottle, it will give signal to the pneumatic cylinder here, and then the pneumatic cylinder will be actuated, and then it will push the bottle down below to the box.
Assalamualaikum and hello guys. So today I'm going to talk about this PSU diagram, ladder diagram. And so first I want to talk about the solenoid that we have here. We have three solenoid, and the first solenoid is for the drain valve, and the second solenoid is for the bottle capping, and the third one is to push the bottle into the box. So in the input center we have push button 1, also known as start button, push button 2, or we can call it stop button, and sensor 1, 2, and 3. So in the output center we have motor 1, and motor 2 with the conveyor to move the bottle uh, to every station. And we also have three solenoids that I mentioned before. First one is drain valve, bottle capping, and the pneumatic motor to push the bottle into the box. So as you can see, if I push button 1 or start button, the circuit will be energized. So it will also energize the output, which is motor 1 and motor 2, the conveyor, so it can move the bottle to every station. And so what we have here is known as leaching circuit. It is needed so that we don't have to push the start button and hold it just to energize the circuit. We can release it and it will energize also. And this second button, push button 2, or also known as stop button, as you can see, when I push it, the circuit will de-energize and the system out off. Also you can see at the input and output all are de-energized. So okay, let me energize it. Okay, so when the sensor 1 detect the bottle, the timer will start counting, and the drain valve will fill the bottle with water, and after 2 seconds it will stop. As you can see, the motor 1 stop because it want to fill the bottle. When I release it, the motor 1 will start again, and as you can see, there is timer. Sorry, I forgot to mention about it. Timer is 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, the motor will stop and the bottle will move to the second stage. And at the second station, when it reaches second station, the the second sensor will detect the bottle, and the motor one will immediately stop, and the pneumatic bottle capping will start capping the bottle within 3 seconds, as you can see. And so after that, motor 1 will start again and move to the motor 2 by fixed roller. And so after that, when the last sensor 3, detect the bottle, the pneumatic motor will push the bottle and it will roll into the box. That's it for me. Sorry for any problem, and thank you. That's all. Assalamualaikum.